In this video, I will show you how to swap USDT to Sol on Phantom Wallet. To get started, go ahead and open Phantom Wallet on your device. Make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet before you can convert it into Solana, and make sure that you have a gas fee available for conversion. So go ahead and head over into the bottom right corner of your screen. Now in here, go ahead and search for USDT. Now click on USDT and click on the swap button under the 1D tab, and that will allow you to get redirected into the section. So go ahead and set UPay into USDT and set the you receive to Solana. Confirm the swapping and make sure that you have enough gas fee, and once you have swapped this, you'll be able to swap USDT to Solana, and that is how you can simply swap USDT to Solana. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.